What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Matic. Currently, we're sitting at 0.648, up about 1.4 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 5.7 billion. 24-hour volume, 442 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. Grab one of their incredible Visa cards, cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So same thing as I was going over in my Bitcoin video. I do believe we completed a 5-wave structure to measure wave 3. You take the top of wave 1 down to the bottom of wave 1, and usually it's going to land in between the 2 and the 2.27 and the 2.618, sorry, as it is usually your largest wave. And as you can see, your wave 3 just broke above the 2.618, consolidated, and then your wave 5 is often the length of wave 1, not always, or a 1.618 minimum of the wave 3 to the wave 4. So if we go to wave 4, this is the length of wave 1, we pull it out straight, you can see basically a perfect measurement of wave 1. And another way that you can measure, there's a few different ways to measure, this is just how I like to do it, is you can take your Fibonacci from the top of wave 3 down to the bottom of wave 4, and you're looking for a minimum of 1.618, but it can get overextended. As you can see, this one broke above the 2.618 and went all the way up to the 3 extension. And now I do believe we're putting in that massive ABC correction. So we have our impulsive wave 1, our corrective wave 2. Now to get the measurement of the wave 3, as I just mentioned, go from the bottom of a wave 1 all the way up to the top and then pull it out. And usually it's going to land in between the 2 and the 2.618. Minimum target is the 1.618. And you can see it came right down to the 2 extension. And that's currently where we're finding support. And your wave 4, corrective wave, the minimum target is from the wave 2 to the bottom of wave 3, and your minimum corrective target is the 2.36, which we've already met, the 2.36 extension, but you can also push up here to the 0.382 and the 0.5, which is coming in about 86 to about $1. But we have already met the minimum target for the wave 4 correction, and the wave 5 can often be the same length of the wave 1. So if we measure our wave 1 and we take it all the way down to the wave 4, you can see it lines up perfectly with that 30-cent price target we've been covering here on the channel. And then if we take our Fibonacci from the bottom of wave 3 up to corrective wave 4, depending on where wave 4 ends here, the minimum target is the 1.618, currently coming in at about 40 cents. And then you have the 2.272, which lines up with that 30-cent price target. So as I've been mentioning here, let's pop over to the 4-hour time frame. Looks like we're putting in that ABCDE corrective triangle. And within each wave is an ABC wave. Let's actually pop it over into the 1-hour time frame. Hope everybody's doing well. So as we can see here with our wave A, it's just loading up. You have an ABC, and then once again we have a larger ABC to complete the B wave, and an ABC to complete the C wave, ABC, ABC to complete the D wave, ABC, and we may be looking at a larger ABC to complete that E wave. If we get rejected here and we start to break down out of this triangle, that would give me confirmation that we are going to start seeing that 5-wave structure to the downside. But these corrective waves can be extremely complicated. So to just simplify things, all you really need to know is when you're going through a correction. So you have impulsive wave 3, which is much easier to trade. And then you have your corrective wave 4, which is extremely choppy and much more difficult to trade. A lot of analysts will even tell you not even to trade the wave 4, as you can easily get wrecked trying to trade the consolidation. I have been trading, but as I mentioned, with much less capital. So if we were to get rejected here and we break down, I would expect you to start coming down to that 30 to 32 cent price target, complete that wave 5. But if we break out and we break above the wave C, then we're just looking at a larger corrective wave 4. So if you are trading Matic like I am, basically you're looking to trade support resistance. You can look for bullish and bearish divergences. I did take a short here. You can see we have multiple wick rejections, which means the bears are pushing the price back down. We have a bearish engulfing candle with bearish divergences on the RSI as well as the money flow, and each time we've come to the top of this symmetrical triangle, we saw the move back down right here, we saw a move back down right here as well, move back down right here, move back down. We have more confluence of a move back down. Doesn't mean that it's 100% going to happen. We could come up, we could create a double top, we could create a higher high, get rejected, and then start to come down, or we could break out. But what you're looking for is the more probable scenario. So you see that you have bearish divergences, you have wick rejections. you've come back up to a level we've been previously rejected from in this purple box, and you have the symmetrical triangle resistance. So you have confluences of a potentially good short trade, but of course anything can happen, and that's why you must set a stop loss. So for Matic in the short term, if we break down from this triangle, then we could see that 5-wave structure to bring us down to that 30 to 32 cent price target. And if we do break to the upside, you can measure your symmetrical triangle. Could be looking at a larger corrective wave 4, and that could take you all the way back up to about 85 cents. This structure would not be invalidated unless we came up and broke the low of wave 1, which is currently coming in here at about $1.32. But if we were to push all the way up to about $1.21, that would be more confirmation, in my opinion, that the correction is over for Matic. But as of right now, I do think we have one more leg down to complete this 5-wave structure to bring you down to 30 to 32 cents, in my opinion. And of course, the wave C usually ends up below the wave 4 or right along the support of the wave 4, which is currently coming in between that 30 to 32 cent price target. So I do think it's likely that we just consolidate, eventually break down, complete that wave 5, see continuation of the bull run. But I could be wrong. This could possibly be the bottom, and we put in a smaller 1, 2, 3, 4 correction. But usually the wave C breaks below the wave A, and when you've completed a 5-wave structure, it comes down prior or to the support of the wave 4 correction. So that's it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord. We have over 1,900 members. We have buy and take profit zones, so you can start dollar cost averaging into your altcoin positions. The DCA trade strategy fully explained, very simple method of trading. The DCA charts for the trades on the channel here. 1,900 members talking all things crypto. And at the $10 membership, my exact entries, exits, take profits. You can sign up through the Patreon if you want to trade with me. Sign up to Bybit, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.